our 60-inch open-air display refrigerator case. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 60 inches, a depth of 31 3/4 inches, and overall height on legs, we have at least 78 1/4 inches in height. The measurements for each shelf will include 57 inches in length with a depth of at least 18 inches. Coming to the bottom of the last area, we have a depth of at least 20 1/4 inches. Overall height from the bottom row to the top of the ceiling, we have at least 53 inches in height. Included will be 5 adjustable shelves, along with sleeves to hold your bin tags and price tags for your merchandise. So included will be 10 removable sleeves. Coming to the bottom will be a glass cover. Right and left pull down curtains that can be used to cover your merchandise whenever the open air display case is not in use. Coming to the bottom of each shelf will be LED strips and lights to illuminate and display your products, along with the main LED light located on the top ceiling. Coming to the top right area will be your ETL certification, along with the technical specifications for this open air case. The bottom will be your power switch, along with your temperature control to run and operate this open air display case. Coming to the back will be 2 of the 220, 240 voltage plugs that's required to run and operate this open air display case. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.